What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the life of GSW. And as y'all see, like, I'm in the car right now. Ethan went to the DMV to take his CDL test. Basically, well, the first part of the test he has to take towards truck driving and doing all that good stuff. So this is the second time taking the test. So send prayers for my baby. By the time y'all watch this, my baby would already have passed, because we speak stuff like that into existence, guys. But this morning my nose and stuff is kind of acting up a bit, but I had to rush out this morning because this boy just don't be wanting to get up early. So oops. Battling with a cold. I'm not battling with a cold. It's just, it's still there, when your cold is leaving, but, it still, lingers. That's basically what's happening. But, yeah, we were kind of rushing out the house because, of course, I was up early, playing the gospel music, making some breakfast for him, which is in this to-go thing that he forgot to eat this morning. I had made me some oatmeal that I have right now. I wasn't able to, what happened? Yeah, I wasn't able to take my my little gummies that I have, which are like the vitamin C and vitamin D, and then I brought me some emergency to put in my water so I could drink that also, so whatever's going on could just go. Oh yes, and I have my tea in here, so it was keeping hot because that helps. It's water, lemon, and honey. My grandma gave me this remedy, and ever since she has, it's just worked. It helps like with breaking up mucus for me, or just easing my throat, to be honest. So oh, it's still hot. no sickness is gonna double back, baby, because honey, I've been good. Oh yeah, I started a new job, so I'm happy about that. I actually got a day off today, which was actually such a blessing too, because Ethan had this today, and I love supporting him with stuff like this. And yeah, we get to just spend quality time together today. But after this, we're going to go to the car wash and wash the car, because it definitely needs washing. It's dirty. Okay, oh my god, the tea does it justice. And also I have brought like $10 because there's a Dollar Tree like right behind me. I'm gonna go in there to get Ethan like a congratulations balloon and stuff for him. But y'all, I'm gonna eat my stuff, eat my gummies and everything, and I'll be back to y'all. Okay guys, here is the car before getting her washed. I don't know if y'all could see right there. You see the bugs because Ethan and his family went on a road trip, so the car got a little bit affected. But this is the car before the wash. Okay, we're going right over there. If you all see right there, in that little area over there, that's where we're gonna get the car washed. Alright, you guys. Oh, we forgot to put the lunch bag.
It's okay. It's on the seat. It's on the seat, so it should be good.
Baby, ready to get his car washed?
Yeah, I'm ready. I still ain't getting in there for me.
Period. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
guys, there's our baby. She's gonna get cleaned. Right, Papa?
Right. Oh, man.
Y'all, the car has so many bugs.
Too many bugs.
Too many bugs. You guys, right now we're waiting on the car for Ethan. Oh, this is a good day.
Yeah, because after the car wash, you guys.
I don't know if they see you, but.
Oh, but.
Y'all hear his voice.
Y'all hear my voice, though. After the car wash, though, we're going laundry.
Yeah, we're gonna do some laundry. I might want to stop at Target. So, find Sudafed. For.
What is that?
I know, it like, it clears up your nose.
I thought, you know, should be good, though, by the end of the day, though.
I was gonna still try to get it, you know. Alright, you guys, so back home with baby. He's about to basically, because I don't do laundry at all. Ethan does the laundry. Yep. And we're typically never off on the same days ever. Never. So we're basically going to do laundry together. I'm going to do laundry with him and do things with him today just to spend, you know, quality time with him and stuff. Because we haven't had that, you know, for a minute. So he's about to show me the ropes. So, yep. But we don't have, what do you call it? We don't have a washer and dryer in our unit, in our apartment, I guess. So we have to go to the laundry in our area to yeah. To do. It's right here though. It's like down. It's right in our complex, basically. So
soon as we got the door, take a right.
Yeah.
And another right there.
Okay. Let's go. All right, you guys. So currently walking to the laundry area. See baby up there?
I'll put you in the ready anyway. I'll put you in the ready.
Okay, so you put two in. Yeah. Okay, so you saw how I organized it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Why is... No.
Towels?
Yeah, because the towels is on the bottom.
Yeah, no, but I just got these towels, that's fine.
Okay, we'll put the towels on the bottom. Alright, y'all, so clearly I'm back home. I left Ethan in there doing the laundry and stuff. He has his own way of doing laundry, and yeah. So I left him in there doing that. And then right now it's 10:42. It's still the morning time, but I'm kind of like craving a salad. So I made a salad for work yesterday, and I never was able to get to it to eat it because I love my salad dressing at home, and I'm just a person where I cannot eat a salad without dressing. I can't process it. So yeah, so we're gonna have a salad, and then we're gonna go to the beach because I've been wanting to go to the beach like forever, and you know it helps clears up, you know, with sniffing and all this other good stuff. So, and I might pack us a cute little fruit basket or snack bag or something like that when we go to the beach or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna have me some early lunch, as you might say. So yeah. What's up, you guys? I don't know if y'all could tell how I'm sounding, but my allergies have not been very nice still. Oh yeah, I have been still sneezing and everything. I literally was just asleep in the car on our way here. Ethan was talking to me, but But I packed our bag. Ethan's getting the beach bag, but y'all gonna come on the beach with me. But I basically got some little snacks, some trail mix, waters with the ice heater, peaches. Oh, there's baby. Let me show you guys the bag. So there's the baggie.
Want me to bring these too?
Huh, baby?
Bring these too?
No, you can leave those in the car.
Alright.
So, we'll see you guys once we're at the beach. Here, guys. Where are you? Oh my gosh. Y'all, we made it to the beach. I have my tissue on deck. Don't want to move this. Hold on. I have my fruit on deck. And we have our waters. Ethan, I'm gonna show y'all Ethan. Well, I can't really show y'all him, but he has my hat on. Oh. You guys are so pretty. And I got my glasses. Period poo. Yeah. We have our sunscreen, so we gotta apply this. But yeah, first I need to take off my bathing suit though, so let's do that.